Hello everybody, today we are going to know about HTML form. So, HTML forms are required when you want to collect soon data from the site visitor. For example, during user registration, you would like to collect information such as name, email address, credit card, etc. A form will take input from a site visitor and then will post it to a back-end application such as CGI, ASP script or PHP script, etc. The HTML form tag is used for creating a form for user independent. A form can contain text file, checkbox, radio button, and etc. The HTML form tag is used to create an HTML form and it has following syntax. For action is equal to script URL, method is equal to get post, for element like input, text area, etc. Ending tag and starting tag required. Now let's look up to the form attribute. First is action, valid URL. It specifies a URL of a backend script that will process the form. Next is method with the value getPost, which specifies the HTTP method to use when form is submitted. Possible value get form data in abundant to URL when submission. Post, the form data is not abundant to the URL. Let's know the difference between the get and post method. We have distinguished them in the base of three categories, which are first, security. Get is less secure compared to post because data sent in part of URL. It never used get when sending password or other sensitive information. Post is a little safer than get because the parameters are not stored in the browser history or web server log. Second is visibility. Data is visible to everyone in URL for get. For post, data is not disabled in URL. And the last category is history. Parameters remain in browser history for get and parameters are saved in a browser history for post. Get is one of the most common HTTP methods. Note that the query string name value pair is sent in URL of the get request /test/demo bar form.php question mark name 1 is equal to value 1 ampersand value 2 is equal to value 2. The post is used to send data to a server to create or update a resource. For that, the data sent to server with the post is stored in the request body of HTTP request is post/test/demo.php http/1.1 host w3schools.com. Number 1 is equal to value 1 ampersand number 2 is equal to value 2. Next are the attributes for the form, which are name, which value form name is define the unique name for the form. Next is target, which value blank, self, parent and top, which defines the target to open given URL. Blank specifies the target URL will open in new window. Self target URL will open in the same frame as it was clicked. Parent target URL will open in the parent frame set. And top, the target URL will open in the full body of a window. We can include some more attributes which are rel, which values the external help license. Next, no follow, no opener, no reference opener for the previous search, which specifies the relationship between a link resource and the current document. Next is no validate, which specifies that the form should not be validated when submitted. Next is autocomplete, which values in default of on and off, which specifies whether a form should have autocomplete on or off. Next is char set, which specifies the character encoding that are to be used for the form submission. And the last is enc type, which value URL and specify how the form data should be encoded when submitting is to be to the server only for the method is equal to post. The browser which supports the form tag are Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Opera, Safari, etc. Thank you.